Now, still coming from that press conference, changes were announced to the operation hours of remittance outlets and banks in St. Catherine. The response follows chaos in some parts of the parish over the weekend as Jamaicans attempted to collect remittances, only to find most were closed. Prime Minister Andrew Holness outlined the new measures on Monday.
The remittance agents and financial aid agencies, banks, can open on the shopping days, and the post office, of course.
Mr. Holness also explained that the lockdown for St. Catherine will continue for another 7 days, but with an additional 2 shopping days. This means residents will now be able to use Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Monday between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. to get food and other supplies. Movement by alphabet has also been removed to allow everyone to move around on these days. Now, the Prime Minister indicated that all members of his cabinet remain COVID-free. Mr. Holness explained that the tests were done a few weeks ago as a precaution to ensure that, as policymakers, they remained healthy and capable to lead.
On Friday, you may have noticed that we did not have our usual press briefing. That is because we all got tested. All the cabinet members got tested, and a few of our permanent secretaries took advantage of that opportunity. We put in place measures at the cabinet office, the OPM, and all ministers have been directed to ensure that the measures that they have in place are tightened in the ministry and around their personal security and health security, that is. We took some time to reflect on our own circumstances and operation to ensure the continuation of government in a time of epidemic. All right. By the way, so the results, we've got back the results, all negative.